Find the slope and y-intercept of the following lines. If we have an equation of a line in the form y equals mx plus b, we know that the slope of the line is given by the m parameter, and that the y-intercept of the line is given as by the ordered pair 0, b. So for our first example here, example A, the slope of the line is 6. The y-intercept of the line is the ordered pair 0, -4. For exercise B, again, it's in slope-intercept form. And so then the slope of the line would be 1/5, and the y-intercept of the line would be 0, 3/10. So again, if we see an equation in this form, it is called the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line. Now if we look at this next exercise, we're asked to find the slope and y-intercept of 4x minus 3y is equal to 15. Now this is in what's called the standard form of the equation of a line. So what we will do is we will put it into the slope-intercept form to get that information. To put it in the slope-intercept form, we will solve for y. So I'll subtract 4x from both sides, yielding negative 3y is equal to negative 4x plus 15. And then I will divide through each term by negative 3, yielding y is equal to 4/3 x, and then I have a positive 15 over negative 3 minus 5. So therefore the slope of the line is 4/3, and the y-intercept of the line is 0, -5.